So, have you guys played any good games lately?
No, but I got some good lesbian jokes for you.
Have you watched any good movies lately?
Got some lesbian jokes for you, Josh.
Tell me some lesbian jokes then.
Alright, what do you call a pantry full of lesbians?
A liquor cabinet.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah, I get it.
What do you call an Eskimo lesbian?
I don't know.
A Klondike. What do you call 100 lesbians with guns?
I don't know. One's right.
Militia Etheridge. Melissa Etheridge? Why can't lesbians diet and wear makeup at the same time? I know why. Because they can't eat Jenny Craig with Mary Kay on their face.
You guys want to hear a funny joke? So, what do you call a white guy pushing a car? Okay, what do you call a white guy pushing a car? Whiteout. What do you call a black guy pushing a car? Blackout. What do you call a Mexican pushing a car?
Chink out.
Grand Theft Auto.